This will be the first time I've seen Unity fly on a powered flight, and obviously many mixed emotions, but the overwhelming one is one of excitement and, in a sense, gratitude to the hundreds and hundreds of engineers who've got it to this point. I'm obviously hoping to go up later this year myself into space, and I want to go up as fit as I possibly can be, because I think I will enjoy the flight that much more. So basic training like tons of tennis, tons of surfing, and then slightly more extreme training like going into a centrifuge and testing my body to an extreme state so that it actually replicates the kind of G-forces that my body will have to deal with going into space.
Release.
I've wanted to go to space ever since the moon landing, but I've also got an absolute desire to try to make it affordable for hundreds of thousands of people to become astronauts in my lifetime and certainly in my children's lifetime. And so it's been a mission for many of us to try to bring this dream about.
Welcome back, guys.
Thank you.
That was amazing. Good job.
It was amazing.
Freaking incredible. New high score?
Oh yeah. So it's a great flight, and you all know this, but it takes a huge team effort to do this. We now have a fantastic path forward. So looking forward to the next flight.